I think you all written the problem. Okay. In today's class, we will solve that problem. Okay. I'll just go through once again through that problem. Okay. Prepare a detailed estimate of part of a wall of a building from the given plan and section and general specification. Okay, here in the screen you can see the plan and sectional elevation of the wall. Okay, having the thickness of 30 centimeter and length of 6 meter. Okay, and there are some general specifications corresponding to this figure. Foundation concrete shall be of lime concrete. Okay, what are the foundation concrete here? It is of lime concrete. Okay, here it is mentioned. You can see it is of lime concrete. Then foundation plinth shall be first class brickwork of lime mortar. The plinth is constructed of using first class brickwork. Then damp proof course having the ratio of 1:1.5:3. Okay, here in the previous class I have explained what is the meaning of damp proof course and what is the purpose of providing the damp proof course. Okay, the mixed proportion of damp proof course is 1:1.5:3. Okay, and its thickness is 25 mm or 2.5 centimeter DPC. You can see here in the screen. The superstructure is of first class brickwork in lime mortar. Superstructure means the structure which is constructed above the ground level. Okay, it is of first class brickwork in lime mortar. Okay, it's not the cement mortar, it is a lime mortar. In earlier days, as I said in the previous class, the people used to construct using lime mortar only. Cement was not there during that time. Then wall finishing, inside wall 12 mm cement plastered 1:6 and whitewashed 3 coats. Okay, inside and outside wall is mentioned here. See the right side. Okay, right side of the plan or the elevation is inside wall. Inside the wall it is, means inside the building. It is of 12 mm cement plastered with whitewashed with 3 coats. Okay, that is the specification with respect to the inside wall, and corresponding to the specification with respect to the outside wall, it is 12 mm cement plastered 1:6, including 10 centimeter below the ground level. Okay, below the outside wall will be exposed. Okay, some of the plinth, some portion of the plinth also exposed to the outside. That is why here it is written that 12 mm cement plastered, including 10 centimeter below ground level, and finished with 2 coats of color wash, 1 coat of white washing. Okay, now what we will do? We will prepare the detailed estimation for each and every work. Means earthwork in excavation. Okay, the quantity of the plain cement concrete PCC bed, then the quantity of first class brickwork in footing as well as plinth, then quantity of first class brickwork in superstructure, that is wall. Okay, amount of plastering work required we will find. Okay, amount of painting work required, all those things we will find now. Okay, for that we have written the figure yesterday. We have written a table. Okay, all have written? If not written, I will give you the time, 1 or 2 minutes, you can write. All have written? Now we will go with one by one. What is the first thing? Excavation, earthwork in excavation. What is it? What is the problem? Earthwork in excavation, correct? Earthwork in excavation. Here you write item number. Huh? Any problem? Not visible, huh? Okay. Now, is it visible? Is it visible, students? The first column is item number. Item number. Second column, description of the work. You give some larger width for this particular column, description. Okay. Then number. Third column is number. Third column is number. Then next column is dimensions. Under that 3 sub columns are there. Under that 3 sub columns are there. Length, breadth and height or depth. Okay. 4th column is dimensions. Under that 3 sub columns: length, breadth and height. Then the next column is quantity. Okay, quantity. The last column explanatory notes. Last column explanatory notes. Okay. Now we will go one by one. What is the first step? First step. Don't make noise. Okay, we'll continue. What is the first thing? Earthwork in foundation. What is the first step in wall construction? We'll do earthwork, excavation we'll do. Okay, earthwork in excavation. That quantity we'll calculate now. Earthwork in excavation. First one you write. First one. Earthwork in excavation. Is it visible? My writing. Earthwork in excavation. Corresponding to the number, only one number. One time you are going to excavate. The number is 1. Number is 1. Okay. Then I will go to the figure. To what dimension you will do the excavation? Just refer the figure and tell me. Now you want to do the excavation. Hey, last bench. To what dimension you will do the excavation? Huh? To what width, to what depth and to what length you will do the excavation? Yes? 90 what? See, you just refer to the ground level. Okay? So you just study the foundation details given for the wall. Foundation details. From the ground level, you just look into the overall depth. Okay, overall depth is how much? Here 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 30 plus 20, 20, 20 and 30. Okay, so the total depth of excavation is 90 centimeter. In terms of meter, it is 0.9 meter. Okay, keep it in mind. Always you should write the dimensions with respect to the meter only. Calculations will be performed with respect to the meter only. Okay. Now we have identified the depth. What about the width? Total width for which the earth should be excavated, it is 80 centimeter. That is the width. Okay. Then coming to the length of the excavation, how much? It is given. The total length of the wall is 6 meter. For 6 meter length, we have to do the excavation. For 6 meter length, we have to do the excavation. I'll write the same here. Length is equal to 6 meter. 6 meter. Width is 80 centimeter. In terms of meter, it is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. Then coming to the height, it is 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. I will write the detailed calculation here so that you can understand in a better way. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. What is the final answer? 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Now you can calculate the total quantity or the quantity. Just multiply all the dimensions, you will get to know What is the total quantity of earthwork in excavation? Total quantity of earthwork in excavation. Okay. 4.32, correct. 4.32. 4.32. What is the unit? Meter cube or cubic meter. Okay. Cubic meter. Okay. Therefore, the total quantity is equal to 4.32 cubic meter. Okay. So to this, earthwork in excavation is over. Earthwork in excavation is over.